episode, I will share with you some of the stuff that I got from Shopee. This is actually something I need for my, what they call this, for my class on aromatherapy in action. So aromatherapy in action is a class by Amy Galper. She's an aromatherapist based in New York City, and she also founded the first aromatherapy school in New York, and it's called the New York Institute of Aromatherapy. So let's get started. Excited na ako magbukas. So this is, I think this is enough. Pasensya. I do not know where to start, but I don't want to destroy the pouch. Ayan. So bakit ayaw ko sirain ang pouch? Kasi nagre-reuse ako ng pouch. How do we do this? I bought several stuff from Shopee and dumadami na ang aking pouch, boxes, and bubble wraps. Okay, so the glass. Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Bubble wrap again. Well, kailangan naman kasi dahil syempre kami matapon, mabasag, and the vendors also do not want to get any returns, or they do not want their customers to be dissatisfied with their service or the products that they ship out. Hindi pa nila nagagamit, dissatisfied na. Okay. Lang, if you're someone like me na medyo particular with bubble wraps, plastics, parang I cringe every time I see this. Okay, so the aromatherapy in action is a self-paced online course for those who would like to be certified as an aromatherapist. Kasi it's Amy's goal for this year is to get as much as possible a lot of people certified as an aromatherapist. Okay, what did I get ba? What is this? What are you? What are you? Okay, so this product is okay, so guys, I got 2 items from Mediself. So this one is, how many grams is this? 100 grams of beeswax. At dahil mainit ang panahon, parang nagdikit-dikit na yung pellets. Yan. And this one, carrier oil yata ito. So, medyo mahirap hanapin yung mga carrier oils that she wants us to use. And the, what do you call that? The essential oils. There are some oils. Some oils are not available from Young Living, so we have to source it from other places. Some of my classmates got their supplies from the States. Kung ayaw mo namang maghirap na maghanap, meron din naman ino-offer si Amy na kit, no, wherein everything that is needed for the class is there already. Pero of course, since it will be coming from the States, it would be expensive. Materials alone is pretty expensive already. Pamasahe pa, no? Ang hirap mo, ah. Okay, this is a calendula carrier oil. Yan. 100 ml calendula carrier oil from Mediself. Okay. So the materials that we need for the class are not found in just one merchant or one vendor. So we had to, me and my classmates had to do our research and try to find vendors who sell quality products. So of course, at the end of the day, before giving out whatever we make, we try it ourselves. Nakakatakot naman kung substandard yung gagamitin ko on myself. What more kung ibibigay ko sa ibang tao and then mag-complain sila, nagkaroon sila ng reaction or whatever. Mediself, nasobrahan ng package, nasobrahan ng scotch tape, hindi ko maalis cap. So aside from carrier oils, waxes, butters, no, we have to get hand mixers, and a weighing scale. In my next video, weighing scale naman. Hirap-hirap maghanap ng weighing scale. Well, hindi naman hirap. Actually, kakatakot lang. So, si Mediself was referred to me by one of my classmates in aromatherapy in action. So, ang origin nito is England. Yeah, England. And what's nice about this is that nilalagay nila yung expiration date. So this one will expire in August this year. So dapat maubos ko na siya by that time. Diba? So this is just a short video kasi 2 items lang tayo. If you would like to look for raw materials for your DIY projects, you can try Mediself. So you can find them in Shopee. Mabilis naman sila. You know what I like about them? Before sending the product, they update you. So pag nailagay na nila sa pouch, papadalan ka nila ng picture kung napadala na, kung na-pick up na. Ayan. As in. So, which I appreciate. Kasi not a lot of vendors do that. Kasi yung iba, ang tagal-tagal mo, hindi pa dumarating. Hindi mo alam kung darating. So, yan. So, yeah. So, if you want to buy raw materials, give Mediself a shot. And if you want to learn more about essential oils, you can search for me on Instagram and Facebook. Just look for Oils or Blessings. If you want to enroll for aromatherapy in action and be a certified aromatherapist, I will leave the link below. And if you want to have your own set of essential oils with a diffuser, again, check out the description box for the link. So, again, my name is Sam, reminding you to recycle, reuse, be good to Mother Earth, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Peace and blessings!